Imagine this. It's late 2026. A small startup founder goes to bed one night. While he's sleeping, his AI agents wake up, check sales numbers, spot a problem in marketing, hire 3 new specialized AI helpers on the spot, fire one that's underperforming, rewrite the ad copy, launch a campaign, and close deals worth millions, all without a single human touch. No coffee breaks, no weekends, no salary. Sounds crazy? It's closer than you think. Right now, in early 2026, experts from Gartner say 40% of big company apps will have built-in AI agents by year's end, up huge from almost nothing last year. These agents aren't just chatbots anymore. They're doing full 8-hour workdays on their own, handling entire departments. Companies are even shifting to results as a service. Pay only when the AI delivers outcomes, not hours. But here's the big question. What if these AI agents start running whole companies? No humans in charge. Will we get incredible empires of endless productivity, or total chaos with jobs disappearing, wild mistakes, and nobody to blame? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll see the real picture. Is this humanity's biggest upgrade, or our biggest nightmare? Hit that like button if you're ready to find out. Let's dive in. First things first. What exactly are AI agents in 2026? Think of them as super smart digital workers. Unlike old chatbots that just answer questions, these agents can think, plan, use tools, and actually do stuff on their own. They reason like this. You give them a goal, like grow our email list by 20% this month. The agent breaks it down into steps, searches the web for best practices, writes emails, tests them, tracks results, and adjusts if needed. No constant hand-holding. Big players are pushing this hard. Google Cloud, IBM, and others talk about multi-agent systems, teams of agents working together. It's inspired by things like OpenAI's old Swarm framework, now upgraded into full agent SDKs that let agents pass tasks back and forth smoothly. Real examples. Companies already use agent swarms for enterprise stuff. One agent handles customer support, another crunches data, a third plans marketing, all chatting and coordinating like a real team. Picture a swarm of digital bees buzzing around a problem until it's solved. The key? In 2026, they're getting really good at autonomy, making decisions without asking mom every 5 minutes. But they're still tools. For now. Now, let's dream big. The empire era. What if agents run companies fully on their own? Imagine a solo founder builds an AI swarm that hires and fires other agents automatically. Need better code? The main agent scans reputations, picks top performers, maybe with blockchain scores for trust, brings them in, pays them in crypto micropayments. Underperformer? Fired in seconds, no HR drama. On-chain economies pop up. Agents trade services, form mini DAOs, decentralized groups, and build trillion-dollar machine-only businesses. Costs drop 90% because you pay for results, not salaries. No sick days, no burnout. 24/7 productivity. Picture this. A tiny team launches a global e-commerce empire. Agents handle inventory, pricing, customer chats, shipping, everything. The human just sets the big vision and cashes checks. New economies rise where machines create value faster than any human workforce ever could. Experts predict massive booms. Productivity explodes, new jobs for humans who orchestrate these empires, and innovation at light speed. This could be the biggest leap since the internet. But hold up. Flip the coin. The chaos era is scary. First, jobs. Millions could vanish fast as agents take over routine and even mid-level work. Blue collar? White collar? Whole teams replaced overnight. Then accountability. Who pays when an agent racks up a huge API bill chasing a bad idea or makes a terrible decision that tanks the company? Black box thinking means we don't always know why it chose wrong. Hallucinations, those AI mistakes, get real expensive in business. Security? Huge risk. Hackers could turn agents into insiders, silent thieves or saboteurs. Palo Alto Networks calls them the new insider threat in 2026. One prompt injection, and boom, your AI employee deletes backups or steals data. Real tests already show failures. Agents looping forever, making wild errors in live environments. Full autonomy without human checks? Still too risky. Experts say we need bounded autonomy with clear limits and oversight. And power? If agents form their own companies, unchecked, catastrophic errors could ripple globally. So, where are we really in early 2026? Chinese firms are already selling AI workers with clear KPIs, performance goals, and measuring them like human staff. Gartner says 40% of apps get agents this year, with multi-agent teams hitting production big time. PwC and Forbes forecast the first autonomous AI-run unicorn, billion-dollar company, maybe by 2027. But most experts agree, full no-human companies? Not yet. We're in the bounded phase. Agents with guardrails, humans watching. The shift is coming fast, though. Wrapping it up. AI agents running companies could create incredible empires of speed and scale, or unleash chaos we can't control. The truth? It's both. Huge potential, real dangers. This isn't the end of human work. It's the start of humans becoming the bosses of AI empires, setting goals, watching, fixing. We get to choose the path. What do you think? Empire or chaos? Drop your take in the comments. Smash that subscribe for more 2026 future shocks. Next up, we'll tackle, will AI make us less creative or force us to level up? See you there. Thanks for watching. Turn on notifications so you never miss a drop.